Hello and welcome back to Subaru. Holy shit, look at that car. We have more bushings. Today, we will be replacing the stock transmission crossmember bushings with new urethane ones. Let's get started. Place the jack stand under the transmission to support it while we replace the bushings, just in case. Safety first. With the transmission secured, let's remove the front crossmember by removing these four 14mm nuts.
And then there's a bushing up beyond it. There we go.
So this is what you get inside. You get four of these guys. Here's the aftermarket Kartboy bushing. Here's the stock bushing. See the difference?
Alright, we're going to place the top bushing.
Do you need to push up anywhere?
Sides of the new bushing. Okay.
Now remove the two center 14mm nuts, as well as the two 14mm bolts connecting the center crossmember to the rear crossmember.
Boy, here.
There you go. So there's one of them. You're supposed to have another bushing that you remove from up here, but my car doesn't come with one, so we're just removing the single bushing in here. Alright, so now we'll remove this bushing. Take a look at all that nast.
So much gross.
Now I need my grease. I'll just show you right on this. Just like that. Let's get under the car.
It doesn't matter. Alright. So we're gonna have. Alright.
The two bolts in the rear bushing are torqued to 25 foot-pounds each. I need an extension.
Okay, good. So good, we got it.
Ew.
We got it.
Ew.
Torquing.
What the hell was that? Don't hit me. Nobody hit me. Nobody hit me. Don't hit me. Shifting has improved. Shifting has improved. The stiffer bushings help reduce the amount of flexing in the transmission crossmembers. The solution is just to add more urethane. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. See you in the next video. Bye.